Hey guys, I'm back. It's about 11:59. No, 11:58, my bad. Yeah. It's actually recovered some, but the wind, once that picks up, it's getting pretty bad out here. The worst hasn't hit yet, but I'm expecting it. As you can see, that white thing right there, right above my finger, yeah. That looks like a cooler. I have no idea where that came from. Power for the lights are back on. Over there, the trailer skirting has come off, been off. That's damaged. Looks like there's a huge branch down over there. That tree looks like it's about to go. It is definitely raining. Terrible out here. Terrible. The cars are covered with leaves. It's yeah, kind of bad. This will be my last video for tonight. I'll do another one in the morning to show the full damage. I'll go around the neighborhood and assess the damage. Yeah. Well, yeah. Let's give a big round of applause for Hurricane Sandy. Now, ironically, my puppy's name is Sandy. Kind of funny. And she causes quite a bit of havoc. So, yeah. Alright, well, good night, people.